and welcome to my channel. This is Sandy here, and today I'm going to be sharing a tablescape that I've created as a part of the Pucker Up Tablescape Lemons 2020 collaboration that is hosted by a beautiful team of ladies called the Diva Dynasty, Diva's Dynasty. And that group of ladies, they do tablescapes every other week. It's headed by LynnsLifestyleLiving. Also, Tammy over at Me, Myself, and DIYing It. There is also Diva Decorating, that is Geraldine. That is a part of this lovely group of ladies called Diva's Dynasty. Also in this group are Alberta, Mysterious Alberta. Also, Cynthia from Cynthia, shesobless. So if you're not familiar with these ladies, I've included their channels links in the description box below. So please be sure that once you're done with this video, you go over and you show them some love looking at what they came up with. Now, here is my tablescape. We were to do a table with lemon theme, and I needed this to be a no-spin tablescape, so I didn't have any lemon dishes, but I did have yellow, so that's what I went with. I folded the napkins in little rosette shapes. I put them inside of a Dollar Tree bowl on a Dollar Tree plate, and my salad plate there is from Home Goods last year or the year before. And then I have a table runner that I picked up not too long ago from Ross. It was $6. I have a piece of garland there with some faux lemons. And then I just have my candlesticks in the middle with gold candles because I didn't have yellow. And also some pillows. Now these pillow covers I picked up last year from Amazon, so I just included them on the table. I have Dollar Tree glasses there and coasters that are also from Ross some time ago. My centerpiece, I don't remember where I got that from. I've had it for a little bit. And if you've been watching my channel, you've seen this in my office and different places. I move it around the home. It's pretty versatile. But this is my tablescape. I hope you like it. It is such a cheery little table for me. I really enjoy it. I've been enjoying looking at it since I put it together, and I think I will just continue to rock with it for a little while. I just love tablescapes because they can completely change the look of a room without breaking the bank, especially if you can do it no spin like I have done today. So that is it. I also am showing my bar cart. If you've not seen my video where I did my summer bar cart, check it out. I'll link it in the description box below. And for now, that is all that I have to share today. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that if you're not currently subscribed, that you will consider hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified when I upload videos. And please don't forget to check out the Diva Dynasty, and a special thanks to them for hosting this challenge. As I said, they do this every other week, so if you love tablescapes, be sure to check them out. They do some fabulous tablescapes. So that is all that I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed the rest of your Sunday. I hope that you're getting some relaxation, that you're staying safe, and I will see you back here next time. Bye.